Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the leading uranium blue chip stock. It's Cameco Corporation, ticker CCJ. Now, we actually had a few nice moves in uranium today. Dan added UUUU to his active trade list. Now, they do have earnings on Thursday, but a really nice move here on a nice pickup in volume. NXE, Next Gen Energy, had a nice move as well, above all the key moving averages. UEC, which is another one on Dan's active trade list, bounced off the 50-day moving average. But I certainly like following the leader, and the leader in the uranium space is Cameco. And so what I want to see here from Cameco, we have a nice move today, above all the key moving averages, but bumping up against resistance in and around 123.45. So I want to see a move through and a close above 123.45 on Cameco. I have an alert here, and I'm going to set it just a few pennies below that level. And so that's the level that I would watch for a trade here on Cameco. And you can use today's intraday low at around 115 for an initial stop loss. So that's your trade on a blue chip uranium stock that we're watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.